Hello everyone. I pray that all is well with you and yours. As you know, we cannot make it to the nail shops as we have in the past, and it may be a while before we can again. So this is a video to show you how to take off your acrylic safely and not damage your nails. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. And here we are just showing you a few items that you're going to need to remove all acrylic. Here I'm showing you my before, and yes, they are horrible, right? So I actually have acrylic as well as gel on top of the acrylic. So it's going to be a process. If you would like for your nails to look like this, stay tuned. Here are some of the items that you will need to remove the acrylic. And the first item you will need is a 100% pure acetone nail polish remover. The next item you will need is a large old cup with a Ziploc bag. Optional is the foil. You will also need a nail cutter. You will need fingernail polish along with oil for the nail bed. Optional are press-on nails, and these nails were purchased from Walmart. And here we have a Melody Susie nail drill kit. This also includes your drill bits and your sanding bands. It's an excellent product for the money. It was very reasonably priced. I purchased it from Amazon. Okay, so I will try to have all of the information down in the description box, and hopefully you'll be able to check this out as well. And you will also need several nail files and a buffer to smooth out the nail bed. First, we're going to cut down the nail. This will give you less nails to work with. And then we're going to file off some of the top coat. This will allow the acetone nail remover to penetrate a lot better. Here you want to make sure that you remove all of the shiny coat. So this will prepare you for the next step. So grab your Ziploc bag, open it, and pour in the nail polish remover, just enough to cover your nails. You should already have your cup with some hot water in it, and this will allow the acetone to penetrate the nail bed a little quicker. Go ahead and place your hand inside the Ziploc bag, close it as much as you can, and then place your hand and the bag inside of the cup, making sure that your hand is in the hot water. Also, make sure that all of the nails that have acrylic on them are sitting inside of the acetone nail remover. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you want to take your hands out, and this is what it should look like. The acrylic should be bubbly like, so that you will be able to file it off. Okay, you're going to take your file, and you're going to use the core side of the file, and you're going to take off the excess acrylic that has been bubbling. You're going to do this for each nail. You want to try to do this as quickly as possible because the nails will start to dry. Another option is to use your nail drill kit. You want to have steady hands when you do this, so you can use this. I think it's much quicker. So if you're able to use a nail drill kit, then use that, and it will help you a great deal. So we're going to start the process once again. We're going to stick our hands into the acetone, and after 15 minutes, we're going to take off another layer of the acrylic. You may have to do this process maybe 3 to 4 times, maybe 5 times, depending on how thick your acrylic is. So finally, this is the last layer of the acrylic, and I am filing all of the acrylic off for this last time. So here I'm just shaping the nail. Here I am using the buffer to buff out my edges and my nail bed. Now here I am just dropping a few small drops of oil on each nail, and I'm going to buff it out with the shine side of the buffer. As you can see, it gives the nail a really nice shine to it. So you really don't have to use any fingernail polish if you don't want to, but if you do, that's okay. I did not have any strengthening fingernail polish, so I decided to just keep it as it was. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you happen to be new, thank you for stopping by. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Again, if you are not a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will see all of the videos that I have uploaded. And thanks once again. I'm praying for you all and hope that all is well. Continue to stay safe and be healthy. God bless.